So hello guys, in this video let us understand the few products in Star Health Insurance. So health insurance is most essential even though you don't recharge your phone. So you know how much we spend on outside charts and mobile recharge itself. See, mobile recharge itself people are doing 4,000, 5,000 per annum. So if you are doing that much money for mobile recharge, why don't you care about this health insurance? And some people say, I already taken a policy in my company has given some policy. Why should I care? See, that is the biggest foolishness you are doing. Reason is whatever the policy your company is giving is it has a capping. For room rent there will be capping. For some diseases, some surgeries there will be capping. So even though there will be, let's say, 5 lakh rupees bill, based on that capping you can claim only 2.5 to 3 lakhs. That's it. Another 2 lakhs you need to pay from your pocket. That's the reason, even though you are an employee of some company or having a health insurance, better take one health insurance. If at all you are a normal person, definitely then it is most needed is health insurance. Definitely how to take one health insurance, because hardly it charges somewhere for a normal person age below 35, it costs you just 5,913 rupees for 3 lakh rupees policy. So let us see what are the types of health insurances or policies we have in Star Health Insurance. The first policy is Mediclassic Gold. So can you see this gold plan, Mediclassic? This is the first most product. This is only for individuals, that is a single person. Anyone is single or anyone wants to take a health insurance for a single person, this is the only policy which is entry level policy we have. And for a family floater means anyone, 2 adults plus 3 children, so up to that we can do the insurance. The name is Family Health Optima. So whatever I am telling, just note it down, the policy name, so that it will help you to the more extent, it will help you definitely. So Family Health Optima is again an entry level. This is not a higher end product. Definitely this Mediclassic Gold is also entry level. Family Health Optima is also entry level product. Definitely there is a lot of disadvantages in these two products. Next, the higher end product is Comprehensive Health Insurance. This is a higher end product. Definitely insurance premium will be little higher, 1,000 or 2,000 it will be higher, but definitely it will give a lot of benefits when compared to other two products. Comprehensive Health Insurance, just note it down. So this is a higher end product. Definitely what are the disadvantages, advantages, everything we'll discuss one by one. Now let us go to the Mediclassic Gold policy. So in this, how to calculate premium? See, calculation of premium is very simple. Everything is given here itself. 16 to 35 this much, for 3 lakh rupees this much, this much, this much, for 36 years to 45 everything is clear. Now so in this you have to focus on zone. So these are all for other states and other districts. For Bangalore, so can you see this? You have to see only this one, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, these things, gold plan, don't see this one. So I'll just mark it and show you. So if you're a 3 lakhs, if you want to take 3 lakhs policy, this is the premium. 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, age up to 35, 35 to 45. So let me check what is the range. 36 to 45, this is the range. So if you're a person who is above 35, so for 3 lakhs policy you have to pay 6,601. So my recommendation is never take 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs policy. Minimum you have to take a policy from 5 lakhs. Why sir? Why we have to take 5 lakhs? I need just 3 lakhs, that's sufficient. Yes, if you think that 3 lakhs is sufficient, it's not right, because if you take 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs policy, there will be room rent capping like only 3 lakhs. So let's say there is a room rent capping of only 5,000. Even though in hospital they are charging 15,000 rupees per day for a room rent, this company will claim you can claim up to only 5,000 only. Then you will say, even after taking this policy it was useless, and there was a lot of misunderstanding between you, agent, and the company. So that's the reason, never take lower end policies, or a 3 lakhs 4 lakhs policy is only for a people who cannot afford that also. So if you can afford little bit, so how much it cost you? See, this is almost like 6,000, this is another 1,800 rupees. So better you take 5 lakh rupees policy. And again I am stressing, this is an entry level product. This also, even though it's an entry level product, advantages are there definitely. There are some conditions also, more conditions. This is the entry level, there are more conditions. What are the conditions? Let us see. So how to calculate the premium? This chart you can see, and you can calculate the premium yourself. No need to call upon someone. Every price is given here itself with including GST. It has included everything. You have to see this one: 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. I hope you are able to understand. Now what is the disadvantages in this product? Instead of speaking advantages, let's see the disadvantages, because which no one everyone hides. So I'm not the person who are going to hide the disadvantage. Let me be very straightforward to you. So if you are taking 3 lakh rupees policy, there will be room rent capping of 5,000, and there will be capping for many surgeries also. And one more important point about this is there will be waiting period for 2 years for some surgeries like knee replacement, hernia, kidney stone, piles, gallbladder, and many etc. So 24 months, that is 2 years waiting period for a certain surgeries like this. But let's say you have this diseases or whatever, the some kidney stone, all these things, before taking the policy, then definitely have to disclose that one. Let's say you didn't disclose it and you are trying for a claim after 1 or 2 years, then the company will directly reject your claim, saying that this was existing before you are taken a policy. Because if you think you are a most brilliant person, so a normal person like you, then the company who is running thousands of crores business, they will be 100 times brilliant than you. They will have a doctor's team. Definitely they will understand what you are trying to do. That's the reason, never try to cheat the health insurance company. Whatever illness you have, just disclose it. Hardly they may tell you to upgrade your policy, or they may ask you to pay 1,000 rupees. If you are trying to save that 1,000 rupees, you will lose lakhs. That's the reason, be very careful. Whatever illness you have to compulsory disclose it. So for pre-existing diseases, let's say I have something like kidney stone. You know, this kidney stone can be postponed, the surgery can be postponed after like 6 months, 1 year. Or let's say someone has piles or pistol or something which can be postponed easily, it can be postponed. Those things you have to disclose it. So for those pre-existing diseases, 4 years waiting period, note it down. 4 years waiting period for pre-existing diseases, 2 years waiting period for certain surgeries. That surgeries are hernia, kidney stone, piles, gallbladder. For this kind of a things, 2 years waiting period. You cannot straight away take a policy and ask for a surgery, which is illogical. So that is not possible. There will be waiting period only. Next question is, sir, then what will they cover, sir? You are telling that will not cover, this will not. What will they cover? Yes, please note it down. What will they cover is, as soon as you take a policy, from the day to after 24 hours, all accidents, bike accident, four-wheeler, everything will be covered from day 2 onwards itself. This is the most important thing. Anytime, see, whenever traveling, anything can happen, right? Who knows, when you are going on a footpath also, someone can come and hit you on a two-wheeler. So be very careful. Accident will be covered from the day 2 onwards. From day 30 onwards, that is after 1 month, what will be covered? Next question. Everything, something like illness, diseases, cholera, typhoid, or coronavirus, whatever, COVID or some other new disease will come. Everything will be covered after 30 days. Illnesses, even heart attack. So recently one person has taken a policy and after 3 months he got a heart attack, which is unexpected. So anything unexpected, everything will be covered. So which can be postponed, and you are trying to cheat upon the company, that will not be covered. If your those things will not be covered. Unexpected heart attack, cancer, suddenly something, accidents, illnesses, everything will be covered after 30 days. I hope you are getting a clarity. So even then you are still having some doubts, definitely you can call upon me. So apart from this, let us see. So next, so let's say you have taken 5 lakhs policy, sir, So 5 lakhs rupees got exhausted. What will happen? If 5 lakh rupees get exhausted on the same year, on the same policy or taken, 5 more lakhs will be restored. This is called restore benefit. But the condition is that you cannot claim that extra 5 lakhs they are giving on the same year for a same illness or same disease. You cannot cover it. This is the biggest checkmate they have kept. Why the checkmate they have kept? Because the entry level product. Next question is, sir, then same illness, same person, which policy will cover? It's a comprehensive policy. Is a higher end product that will cover. It's a topmost product and the best product in Star Health Insurance. So I'm very straightforward. I don't want to hide anything. Later, if I hide also, there will be a lot of misconceptions, misunderstanding between you and me. That's the reason, even though you pay 5,000 extra, you better take better policy. So you ask me the doubts. So you ask each and every point, understand the product, then only you take a policy. If you don't understand the product, better you take a help of me and I'll make sure you will understand. It's a very, very important. So apart from this, in Mediclassic Gold, only 30 days pre-hospitalization, 60 days post-hospitalization will be covered. Whereas in other policies, 60 days pre-hospitalization, 90 days post-hospitalization, it will be covered. And the two, only 5,000 rupees will be the coverage for pre and post. Only 5,000, very minimal amount they give, because it's an entry level product. They cannot give a higher amount. So these are all some disadvantages. Room rent capping and no claim bonus is very least in Mediclassic. No claim bonus is very, very least. Very, very least. So no claim bonus is also very less. Whereas in other policies, no claim bonus is 50%. In comprehensive, it is 50%. Whereas in Health Optima, the no claim bonus is 25%. Those things we shall discuss in that respective product. Whereas when it comes to this Mediclassic Gold policy, it's an entry level product. Those who cannot afford health insurance, they want some health insurance at least for some climbing. I'm not telling 100% climbing and all. Some climbing they want to get. This is the best product, entry level. They cannot afford higher money. See, that's the reason. If you are healthy, if you are young and energetic, definitely you have to take health insurance. Once you are ill, if you go and ask the policy also, they will not give. Be very straightforward. When person is healthy only, we have to take health insurance. When you are unhealthy, let's say you got a cancer. Now if you try to get a health insurance, company will straight away reject your policy itself. Note these points. So, and if you have some diseases, big disease, let's say, and you are trying to buy one health insurance, this has happened in my friend circle only. It has happened. Someone has some big disease and they are trying to take up health insurance. At that time, every company rejected their policy. That's the reason, take health insurance when you are healthy itself. Hardly it costs you your mobile recharge or your internet recharge or your Netflix bill or your restaurant bill. Is most compulsory. So thank you. In the next videos, we shall discuss about Family Optima and Comprehensive.